Okay, welcome back to the next video. So what we're going to do here is just a really brief outline of what you need. So what equipment do you need to start making your own kefir drink? So a jug, some sort of glass, plastic jug that you can use to drain your kefir into. A sieve. Plastic, has to be plastic.
Has to be plastic.
Has to be plastic, so not metal, because the kefir grains, you're going to be really, they're quite fragile, so you want to take care of them. So plastic, and a spatula. Silicone, this one's silicone. You can use plastic, silicone, or wood. Again, avoid metal, because we do want to be very careful with the kefir grains. You use this, you quite like this small one because you can really fish out the stuff and get all the really lovely good bacteria stripped off and into your smoothie or kefir drink. You then need a jar. So you've got a small one there, haven't you? A small jar. I use quite a big one. Ideally, I get a mason jar that you can pop the lid off, because then when you're fermenting the milk, I use a muslin cloth put over, and I put the lid back on top of that so it gets air into it, which is what's required for the chemical process of the fermentation. If you can't find one with a lid, don't worry. Muslin cloths are great for this, so you can hang on if you've got muslin cloths. Any mums with little ones will probably have some lying around, and cut them up into pieces, and you can use them. And it's non-dyed, so ideally white that you want. You don't want a dyed one.
With an elastic band if you need to attach.
Yeah, with an elastic band, which is what you do, don't you? So my mum uses the other option of
like a coffee filter
paper, which you can put that over, and again with an elastic band. So coffee filter papers, elastic bands, all this stuff you can just pick up at your local shop, online. I will put links to these in case you're struggling to find, say, a plastic sieve in a shop. But that's it in terms of equipment. Your milk, once you've got your equipment, the only thing you will need to buy after that is milk. It's cheap as chips. It is the most sustainable, cheapest thing to be doing for yourself. So just kind of milk. I personally use organic milk, but yeah. And then your kefir grains. So talk me through how you got your kefir grains.
Okay, so you need to send for your kefir grains, and they'll just take a couple of days to arrive. When you finally get the envelope, I'm just showing you here, this one came with these all wrapped up. So that's actually the kefir grains. If you can see, they're very, very tiny, quite small at this stage. So we have that, and actually it comes with a set of instructions, which is ideal. So this one came from kombuchaorganic.co.uk, and we've got a lovely set of instructions there outlining exactly what you need to do. You know, first of all, what you'll need, and then what you need to do step by step, which is ideal. Okay, I mean, if you do get that, I sent for that, and if you find you can't use it immediately, no problem, pop it in the fridge for a short while, it'll be fine. Okay.
And then you mentioned about making sure you get kefir grains and not kefir powder.
Yeah, it is actually. I mean, these are the live grains. Okay, rather than, I notice when I was looking on the internet that you can get a culture, which is a completely different thing. It's, you know, you want the grains so that you can continue to reproduce your own kefir.
Because the grains are what the live product. It's actually sugar structures is what it is, and it's made up of bacteria and yeasts which are working together. But it's the live, and it is alive. It'll continue to be alive and grow and things as you go along. So yeah, get that and not the culture, you said.
Yeah.
Powder. Yeah. Not the culture powder, kefir grains.
Yeah. So ideally, you're sending for your own, unless you know somebody who will actually.
Yeah, who can get. That's the thing. Yeah, you can, once you grow as well, you can pass them on to people. I've given colleagues at work a lot and got them onto kefir. So yeah, you can share the love Or you can chuck any ones that you don't, if you've got too much, chuck them in smoothies as well, because they're packed full of serious boosters for your gut health. But yeah, that's it. That's all you need. And yeah, go and grab your stuff and come back, and we'll do the next video on where the next step. Thanks.